Hello, my name is Belle and I bought the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 yesterday. This is it. You're on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and I love it so far. I've taken it out and about with me today in lots of different lightings, in lots of different scenarios. So for example, it's really sunny outside today and really hot. So I took it outside and I put all the auto settings on. I am a beginner. I know what looks nice and what doesn't look nice, but aside from that, I'm a beginner. I have a lot of cameras, but only one of them is a video recording camera. Most of them are film. So I've got the Nikon D5000 DSLR camera, which is amazing. It really is. However, it's not as beginner-friendly, as this is. So it took me a while to learn how to use that. It does have the auto setting, but aside from that, all the rest is you've got to play with it and learn with it as you do with everything. Every kind of device you need to learn how to use. However, I will say that my first impression of this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is that it's amazing for beginners. The auto exposure, auto focus, the colour grading thing, I've forgotten it right now. But I just went outside today with all of the auto settings on, and I'm going to show you the footage without any colour grading, without any editing, apart from just the clips spliced together. So I'll show you that because I was really impressed. I did have the wide angle lens on all day. I still have it on now. Here we go. Got it on. It's just magnetic. I really like that actually because it makes it extremely easy to take it on and off. I'm going to show you all the clips and then you can make your own decision on how it looks and how you like it. I personally really liked it. I bought it for 22,000 baht, which is about £500. In the bright sunshine, the auto exposure worked quite well. It's not perfect, but it did work quite well. The colour in general on the normal mode is amazing. On any tablet device that you've got, you can edit the saturation and exposure to make it look a bit more colourful and stuff, but the normal setting itself is fine. If you don't know how to colour grade, you don't need to worry at all. I really enjoyed it. The only thing I will say is that it gets hot. However, I am in Thailand and today it's 35 degrees. So, every device outside, if it's 35 degrees outside, will get hot. As I was going through the different lightings, I really liked how it was automatically changing, and even just the focus on my nails here was really nice, automatic and fast. I went into a cafe that was really dimly lit and the lighting was automatically changed in there really well. I had a lot of colourful scenarios today and it went really nicely with all of that. Yeah, in general, it's extremely beginner friendly. I really like the size of the screen because you don't, if someone walks past, you don't feel like, oh, they know that I'm filming. If you are a person that gets embarrassed by people noticing things about you, then you're completely fine with this because it's really small and user-friendly in that way. It's also lightweight and doesn't hurt your hand, and the fact that you can literally just hold it like this means it doesn't hurt your wrist over time. I do find that sometimes if I'm filming stuff on my phone and that hurts your wrist or your joints for a while, this is extremely friendly for people who have pain in the wrist or joints easily, or if you just film a lot, you will notice the pain. So it's very friendly for that kind of thing as well. And that is my first impression of this camera. Thank you very much. Bye bye.